kicker. I feel lazy all throughout the day, but I have learned how to fight it. Title: How to Fight My Laziness. Subtitle: Here is my template to fight my laziness. If you are not a paid media member, you can get this content here for free. I have come into my 40s and I admit I am not the same person anymore in terms of physical and mental fitness. One of the biggest drawbacks of being in my 40s is that I have issues regarding my diet. Like, I cannot digest all kinds of food like before. Additionally, the biggest issue for me is that I feel lazy all throughout the day. But below are my strategies to combat this issue, and it is very beneficial but requires a lot of mental toughness, discipline, and organized efforts to continue with this process of mine to fight my laziness. Here are my go-to strategies below. Measurement walk method, and then escalating the time period from 2 hours to 4 hours, and then forcing my whole body to run in a measured zone. Before I start running, I always tell myself over and over again repeatedly that I will never ever be able to run. This motivates me somehow the most, and I start to run. And the key over here is that I never ever am afraid to fall down, because if I have the scary mindset, I will never achieve my goal of running. I take meals which are digestible, meaning if I see curry with meat, I do not take meat, but also take the curry with bread. Only take the curry with bread. This helps me digest my food properly, helps me gain fitness all throughout the day, and is a part of my diet, which helps me fight laziness. I have a just do it approach in life and never think long durations of time before doing anything really, and this is very beneficial for not only my mindset but also keeping my activity on a high level as well.